Welcome back to Achieve, the podcast where we get inspired by amazing stories from around the world. I'm your host, Emma.
And I'm your co-host, Jason. It's brilliant to be here. Emma, you told me you have a story today that's going to blow my mind, so I'm ready.
I think you'll love this one, Jason. It's about a carpenter, a dad, and a supercar.
Ooh, that sounds like a strange mix. A carpenter and a supercar? What's the connection?
Okay, so there is a very talented carpenter in Vietnam named Truong Van Da. He has a YouTube channel called ND Woodworking Art, and he doesn't just make tables and chairs. He builds supercars entirely out of wood.
You're joking. Out of wood? You mean like small models, right? For a shelf?
Nope. That's what I thought at first, but he builds life-sized, drivable, electric-powered replicas of cars like Bugattis, Lamborghinis, and Ferraris. He mostly builds them as amazing gifts for his son.
That is unbelievable. A drivable wooden car? My dad once built me a birdhouse, and I thought that was amazing. This is next level.
It totally is. His work is incredible, and his videos have been watched billions of times online. People all over the world are just amazed by his skill. But the story gets even better.
Go on.
So, Mr. Dow decided to build a wooden version of a very special concept car, the Audi Skysphere. This isn't even a car you can buy. It's a futuristic design from Audi. He made a perfect wooden replica of it.
Blimey. The level of skill that must take is just wow. To copy a car that's just a concept, all from wood? I can't even begin to imagine.
Exactly. And he did such a good job that the video of him making it went viral. And you know who saw it?
Who?
The people at Audi in Germany.
No. You're not serious.
I am. The chairman of Audi was so impressed with the wooden Skysphere that he personally invited Mr. Da and his daughter to fly all the way to Germany to visit the Audi headquarters.
Get out of town. That is a proper fairy tale story. From a workshop in Vietnam to a personal invitation from the boss of Audi? That's absolutely incredible. What a dream come true for a craftsman.
Isn't it? It just shows that if you have a passion and you work hard at your craft, the world will notice. It doesn't matter where you are. This man was just making amazing things for his son, and his passion reached the other side of the world.
That's the power of the internet, I suppose. It connects a talented dad in Vietnam with a huge German car company. I'm just thinking about that moment, opening an email or getting a phone call. Hello, this is Audi. We love your wooden car.
I know. He documented the whole trip, and you could just see the joy and pride on his face, showing his wooden car to the very people who designed the real one. It's just such a feel-good story.
It really, really is. It's a brilliant example of how creativity is a universal language. You don't need to speak German or Vietnamese to look at that wooden car and just think, wow, that is a work of art.
You said it perfectly. It's a testament to creativity, passion, and a father's love for his kids.
Well, I know what I'm doing after this. I'm going down a YouTube rabbit hole and watching all of his videos. Wooden supercars. Who would have thought?
It's definitely worth your time. And that's all the time we have for today on Achieve. We hope this story inspired you as much as it inspired us.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Well, catch you next time. Cheerio.